Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into tricks to help you quit smoking for good. Smoking is tough, but it's possible to quit. Ready to reclaim your health and kick this habit? You're in the right place. Stay tuned for the tools you need to succeed. It's not just willpower, it's strategy. Let's get started. Choosing a quit date is more than just picking a day on the calendar. It's a declaration of your intent, a commitment to yourself. This date symbolizes the beginning of your smoke-free journey. Give yourself enough time to prepare, both mentally and physically. Start thinking about the challenges you might face and how you'll overcome them. Consider this date sacred. Write it down, tell your friends and family, and build anticipation. This is your day one. Think about your daily routine. What situations or emotions trigger your urge to smoke? Is it stress from work? Is it that after-dinner coffee? Perhaps it's socializing with friends who smoke. Identifying these triggers is crucial to manage your cravings. Create a plan to avoid them, especially early on. Try relaxation techniques like deep breathing or yoga. Consider politely excusing yourself or finding smoke-free alternatives. This is about regaining control, not losing it. Nicotine withdrawal can be challenging, but nicotine replacement therapy, NRT, can help. NRTs, such as patches, gum, lozenges, inhalers, and nasal sprays, provide controlled doses of nicotine. This helps manage cravings and symptoms like irritability, anxiety, and difficulty concentrating. Talk to your doctor about which NRT option is right for you. They can help determine the appropriate dosage and duration. Think of them as one piece of the puzzle to help you quit for good. When a craving hits, it can feel overwhelming. Mindful breathing is a powerful tool to navigate these moments. Deep breaths calm your nervous system and reduce anxiety. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs. Hold, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Each breath is a step towards clarity. One challenge of quitting smoking is the habit of holding a cigarette. Find healthy substitutes. Chew sugar-free gum, snack on crunchy vegetables, or fidget with a stress ball. Engage in hobbies like knitting or playing an instrument. Keeping your hands busy helps break the habit. Physical activity is a powerful ally in your quit journey. Exercise releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects and can help alleviate withdrawal symptoms like irritability and anxiety. Even a short walk can make a big difference. Choose activities you enjoy, whether it's brisk walking, jogging, swimming, dancing, or cycling. Regular exercise not only helps manage cravings but also improves your overall health and well-being. As you start feeling the positive effects of exercise, your motivation to stay smoke-free will increase. Quitting smoking is a personal journey, but you don't have to go it alone. Sharing your decision to quit with friends, family, and co-workers can make a world of difference. Their support and encouragement can be invaluable during challenging times. Don't hesitate to reach out to loved ones when you're struggling with cravings. Having someone to talk to, vent to, or simply distract you can help you overcome those difficult moments. Consider joining a support group or seeking professional counseling. Before you quit, start a smoking journal. Track when you smoke, why you smoke, and how you feel afterward. This helps you become more aware of your smoking patterns and identify specific triggers. Once you've quit, continue journaling your progress. Record your cravings, how you manage them, and any challenges you faced. Seeing how far you've come can be incredibly motivating. Visualization is a powerful tool to stay motivated and focused on your goal. Imagine the benefits of quitting smoking: breathing easier, more energy, improved taste and smell. Visualize engaging in activities you love without shortness of breath. Picture the financial impact of saving money by not buying cigarettes. This mental rehearsal boosts confidence and reinforces commitment to a smoke-free future. Quitting smoking is hard work, so celebrate your successes along the way. Reward yourself for reaching milestones, whether it's a day, a week, or a month smoke-free. These rewards reinforce positive behavior and keep you motivated. Use the money you save from not buying cigarettes to treat yourself. Buy a new book, go to a movie, or indulge in a relaxing massage. These rewards serve as tangible reminders of your progress and the positive changes you're making. Acknowledging your achievements boosts your self-esteem and reinforces your commitment to a smoke-free life. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Remember, quitting smoking is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges, but don't get discouraged. Every step forward is a victory, no matter how small. Be kind to yourself, celebrate your progress, and never give up on your goal of a healthier, smoke-free life. You've got